So let's talk about crafting a killer OTO. An OTO stands for a one-time offer. It's basically a special offer that they get right after they opt in to your squeeze page. Okay? You know, let's take a look at our funneling. And so what we're going to have is we have our squeeze page that's first. That's our free offer. And then they're going to immediately be shown an OTO page. Okay? That's the first thing that they're going to see after they opt into your list. It's very important. They need to see some sort of special offer. Now, this product, it needs to be in the same niche and very related to what they just opted into. If you are giving away a report, okay, on how to grow tomatoes quickly, all right, you want to make sure that your OTO is going to be related to gardening. Okay, that's very, very important. Okay, now that's not a niche that I recommend you go into, but make sure that it's very, very tailored to what they just offered and opted into. Okay, now this needs to be a product that you have created or is a very high quality PLR product. You really should not be using an affiliate offer here. Okay, you want to have your own product. Okay, like I said, it doesn't have to be something you created. It can be a PLR product. Now, if you are going to use PLR, and I wholeheartedly recommend using PLR, okay, try and make some changes either to the sales page or to the content itself just to make it seem a little bit unique. Okay, you don't have to change much, but try and make it a little bit unique. Okay, like I said, keep it very related. If your offer is weight loss tips, make sure that your OTO is about weight loss. Now, this product, it does not have to be huge. It doesn't have to be a massive product. It could be anything from a 10-page report that shares a killer secret or a 20-minute video that shows how to do something that not everyone knows. Okay? It doesn't have to be this elaborate product. It really doesn't. Okay? Make sure that your OTO has great value. Okay? The whole point of an OTO, one-time offer, is to offer new subscribers a great value. Make it seem like they're getting a great deal for opting into your list. Okay? And like I said, if you use PLR, make sure it is a quality product. All right? Your product, your OTO, it needs to be something that you would be proud to sell at 2 to 3 times the price that you're selling. Okay? That you're charging. In other words, don't try and sell junk here because this is the first taste. Remember, they just opted into your list, okay? And you've convinced them with this sales page, with this special offer, to buy your product because you are offering such a good deal. Make sure you're not selling them junk. If you offer them a good product, they're going to be a customer for a long time.